Hi everyone, welcome to the Bash for Beginners series. I'm one of your co-hosts. My name is Gwen. I'm a cloud developer advocate here at Microsoft, a big fan of all things Linux, and very happy to be bringing this series to all of you alongside my co-host Josh.
Hi everyone, my name is Josh Stephanie. I'm a senior cloud advocate here at Microsoft, former Microsoft MVP and ex-SRE at Stack. So I've been using Bash for a number of years and excited to help share what I've learned along the way in my tech journey with you.
Awesome. Thank you, Josh, for agreeing to do this with me. As far as expectations, once you complete this course and what you're going to be able to learn, why don't you let everyone know what are the topics you'll be covering?
Sure. I'm going to start with the most fundamental thing, which is learning how to get help in the terminal. So that way you don't have to go to Google or even ChatGPT to figure out what you need to ask. Now, those are still useful tools, but the more time that you spend in the terminal, the more efficient you're going to be. And so learning how to use the help system in Bash is key. So it starts there. And then I'll move around to navigating the terminal, just finding your way around navigating files and folders. Beyond that, we'll be listing content, finding different files, searching around for files, working with directories and files, viewing them with the cat command and different things so you can get context inside the terminal. You don't have to use File Explorer, setting environment variables, redirecting output, and then lastly, the favorite thing in Linux, modifying permissions. Those are the things that I'll be covering.
Awesome. And I'm going to be coming in after that, and we're going to sort of put everything together and start utilizing scripts. We're going to cover what is a bash script, how to make them executable. We're going to be talking about variables, conditional statements, case statements, functions, loops, and we're going to end the series by writing our very own bash script, which is going to allow us to create something inside of our Azure environment. Now, we're going to try to keep these as straightforward, concise, but complete as well for you all. So feel free to take this at your pace, pause whenever you need to, rewatch whenever you need to. Additionally, we're going to throw up some resources that you can use at the end. So once you're completely done with the series, you want to take your bash skills to the next level. I'll have some resources there that will help you use bash with the Azure CLI, to learn different things with Linux on Azure, and overall to just take your skills another step now that you have the fundamentals by the end of these series. Josh, you got anything to add here for the viewers?
Just get ready to be more proficient with the shell.
100%. The shell is something that you cannot escape. So it's a very important skill set in a lot of different tech roles, not just cloud, not just programming. You'd be surprised of how many roles actually utilize something like a shell. So, be sure to check out every single video to get the most out of it. If you have any comments, do so, leave them, or any questions, do so, leave them in the comments. And all the resources that we are using in each video will be in the description. So be sure to check those out as well. And welcome to Bash for Beginners.